Scientists find new method which can destroy 99% of cancer cells, eliminate need for invasive surgeries. Scientists have discovered a new method to fight cancer using aminocyanine molecules. Termed molecular jackhammers, these molecules, activated by near-infrared light, exhibit over 1 million times faster mechanical motion than previous motors, potentially transforming cancer treatment without invasive surgeries. In lab tests, a 99% success rate in destroying cancer cells was achieved. Scientists have identified a novel method to eliminate cancer cells by using aminocyanine molecules. These molecules, commonly used as synthetic dyes in bioimaging, show a remarkable capability to break apart cancer cell membranes when stimulated by near-infrared light.